In this short video, I'll show you how to mirror your iPhone to a MacBook quickly and effectively. If you've ever wanted to share your iPhone screen on your MacBook for presentations, gaming, or streaming, you're in the right place. This process is simple and can be done wirelessly or with a wired connection. By the end of this video, you'll have multiple proven ways to mirror your iPhone to a MacBook. Stay with me until the end to discover troubleshooting steps if you encounter any problems mirroring your iPhone to the MacBook. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's get started. One of the quickest ways to mirror your iPhone to a MacBook is by using AirPlay. This method works on macOS Monterey, Ventura, and newer versions. To start, ensure your iPhone and MacBook are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, on your MacBook, open the Control Center from the menu bar and click Screen Mirroring. Then, on your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. Select your MacBook from the list. Your iPhone screen should now be displayed on your MacBook. If your MacBook doesn't appear in the list, go to System Settings, select General, then tap AirDrop and hand off and enable AirPlay Receiver. Try again, and it should work. If you prefer a wired connection for better stability and less lag, you can use QuickTime Player. To do this, connect your iPhone to your MacBook using a Lightning to USB cable. On your MacBook, open QuickTime Player. Click File, then click New Movie Recording from the menu bar. Next to the Record button, click the small arrow and select your iPhone under the Camera section. Your iPhone screen will now appear on your MacBook. Some users may prefer third-party apps like Reflector, a power mirror, or AnyMirror for additional features like screen recording or better mirroring quality. To use this method, download and install your preferred mirroring app on both your iPhone and MacBook. Ensure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the app on your MacBook and follow the on-screen instructions. Then, on your iPhone, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring and select your MacBook. Your screen should now be mirrored, often with extra features like better resolution, recording, or low latency streaming. If you're experiencing connection issues, try these troubleshooting steps. Restart both your iPhone and MacBook and try again. Update your macOS and iOS to the latest version by going to Settings, then General, and selecting Software Update. Check if AirPlay is enabled by going to System Settings, then AirDrop and Handoff. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and not using a VPN. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with the final troubleshooting steps. If you've tried all the methods and mirroring still doesn't work, it could be a hardware issue. In this case, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for assistance. To explore more Apple product video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.